back to the Celia Nation, everybody. Today, we are at a park in Surf City, Hampstead. Well, not really Hampstead, North Carolina. And as you can see, it has gotten really high. Like from right there, or where trucks are supposed to go in for the boats. You're supposed to be able to walk on them, but you can't because of the flooding. There was a bunch of rain, so yeah. Okay, let's check out more scenes or views of this major flooding. And right here used to be where the marshy wetlands were, but now it's all wet and soggy and very, very deep. Let's just see a little bit more, or a lot more, either one. Right here was somewhat where you can walk on, but I'm not quite sure. And it's very windy. I'll show you the lights, how they're moving right now through the wind. You can see them right now, they're moving. Oh, sorry about that. If you can see them right now, they're moving quite quickly. And they had to move the little dock boat thing because it could not go over the bridge. The bridge is now much lower. And right there, if you would look down, there would be all these little shells hanging up. Due to the flooding, there are no shells. Let's see more. This is right by the park. And as you can see, the flags are swaying pretty fast due to the wind. Right there, the marshy swamplands. Check out. And right here, all of this. Okay, this video is fun and kind of scary. Remember to like, subscribe, and add a comment. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.